Apple just dropped a new phone. But here's the real question. Is this the budget-friendly iPhone we've been waiting for? Is the iPhone 16 a smart buy or just a familiar face with a fresh name? Let's find out. For the design and display, the iPhone 16 keeps it classic. It looks almost identical to the iPhone 14. You get a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, vibrant, color-accurate, and bright enough for outdoor use. But one new addition, the Action button. You can customize it to launch the camera, voice memos, focus modes, accessibility tools, and more. Performance is a major win here. The iPhone 16 is powered by Apple's A18 chip, the same powerhouse found in the standard iPhone 16. It runs buttery smooth, whether you're multitasking, editing photos, or gaming. And it's future-ready with 8 GB RAM and full support for Apple Intelligence. That includes a smarter Siri, AI-powered text summaries, custom emoji creation, and more. Camera-wise, the iPhone 16 East gives you a single 48-megapixel main lens, but don't underestimate it. Photos are sharp, vivid, and natural, even in low light. No ultra-wide, but for everyday shots and selfies with the 12-megapixel front cam. It delivers clean results. On the video side, you get 4000 recording at up to 60 FPS, cinematic mode at 30 FPS, and solid stabilization. For content creators or casual vloggers, it's more than capable. On the connectivity side, Apple's new C1 modem makes a real difference. It boosts 5G stability and speeds, reduces battery drain during heavy data use, and improves connection in low-signal areas. You also get Wi-Fi 6E support for faster and more reliable wireless connections, plus emergency SOS via satellite for added peace of mind. Battery life is strong. Easily gets through a full day of mixed use. You charge via USB-C now, which makes switching between Apple devices and accessories easier. Wireless charging is supported too, but heads up, there's no MagSafe or Cha2, just the basics. For the durability, the iPhone 16 East is also built to last. It features ceramic shield glass on the front and aerospace-grade aluminum around the edges. Rated IP68, it can handle spills, splashes, and accidental drops, so you won't need to baby it. For pros and cons, let's break it down. Pros: A18 chip, OLED display, Action button, C1 modem, Apple Intelligence, 48-megapixel camera, strong video features, and durable build. For the cons, still a 60Hz display, no ultra-wide lens, and no MagSafe. But overall, it offers a lot more than expected for a budget-friendly iPhone. The iPhone 16 isn't flashy, but it's powerful, practical, and refreshingly focused. So here's the question. Is this the budget iPhone you've been waiting for? Or are you holding out for something else? Drop your thoughts below. I want to hear it. Hit that like button, subscribe for more.